In this video, we are going to see how we can change the margins or adjust the margins in your PDF document for print for free. So you don't need any external applications to be downloaded like Acrobat Reader or something else. It's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is just go to google.com and search for DEF PDF, hit enter, and it will show you this link right here. So you might need to scroll down if it shows some sponsored results. So here it is, Deft PDF, hit enter or select that. From here, we would choose all tools and select resize. After that, we will select our PDF. So in this case, it's this one right here. And after that, we can select add margins and we can actually resize this. So we can change these values right here. So if we select centimeter, we can add like, let's say 5, 5, 5, and 5. So whatever you want to change, you know that setting already according to your needs. So actually let's set it to 2 inches on each side so that you can easily compare the results. And we click on resize and basically it shows the download file link which we will download, and click on open, and you can see and compare the difference for yourself just like so. And that is how you can resize and basically edit your PDF directly using a website called Deft PDF. This is not a sponsored video, but I've guided this just in case you need to edit your PDF documents. I hope this helps. And if it did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.